Thank you for signing up to the .fire MoneyWise challenge. This video covers how to get ready for the competition in 3 easy steps. The first step is to fill in the form linked in the description below to specify the date, start time, and the number of challenge sessions your school would like to host. You can have as many sessions as you'd like and can pick any 30-minute time slot within the challenge period. For example, you can have one session for the Year 7s on the 1st of March and another for the Year 8s on the 3rd. So what happens next? Once you have submitted the form, we will generate unique usernames and challenge codes for each pupil to join the challenge sessions. As .fire has a strict data privacy policy, we do not collect pupils' personal information, including their real names. They will be identified by unique usernames instead during the challenge. You will be sent a name sheet for each of your requested challenge sessions, with the unique usernames and challenge codes for each pupil. In the blank boxes, fill in the real names of each participating pupil in that particular session. Save the file as a PDF for your future reference. Print a copy of the name sheet and cut each row into slips of paper. Right before the challenge, distribute these slips to each pupil so they can access the challenge arena on the NeighborMood app. You will also receive a login to our teacher portal. Inside the portal, you will find a list of challenge sessions that you have requested. Click into each session to find the leaderboard, which shows the live scores of the top 10 leading pupils as they play the competition. On the day of the competition, project the leaderboard onto the big screen to add excitement to the challenge. Finally, you will receive a text sheet. Simply hand this over to your school technician so they can download the NeighborMood app on your school devices, ready to use on challenge day. And that's it! If you have any inquiries, please email hello@.fire.com.